Hello friends, this is Sauvagya and you are watching Art and Click. In this video, we will discuss about a website that can help you in generating ideas for a new logo. And the website name is brandcrowd.com. You can see here, the spelling is here. And after you surf this website, you'll get this page, and here are the examples. Let me say Lotus Resorts. Just write the word business name Lotus Resort and keyword hotel. So it will give you lots of ideas. You can see here the issue with designing a logo is getting an idea, and when we design on our own we may get 4, 5, 10 ideas, and here you can get hundreds of ideas. So accordingly, it need not be our sole just do a copy paste. Even after getting such visuals, we can modify as per our need, like color code or the visuals. But yes, when we get lots of references, it becomes easy to finalize a design or focus on something. When we have 100 options, we can choose the best. Say may design 1 out of 10 and a design 1 out of 100. Certainly the design 1 out of 100 will be better and more tuned. So let me set another example. What's it? A restaurant. Enter. You can see the figure changes, or I think what they're doing is they have plenty of visuals and they have plenty of fonts, and they are able to program it and generate relevant visuals that could be useful for the client. Let me shoot another example. Punya Toya farmhouse. She's so beautiful. Looks quite interesting. So you need not, if you have basic design skill, even you need not hire a graphic designer. You can design your own logo just by choosing and working out on it. But well, it has a limitation. Limitation is here. Suppose you choose a design. Say I am choosing this, any design, and from here you have these options: this layout, text, background, logo, shape, and in text here is slogan. You can so I just try to put a relevant word. The issue is after you finalize, you have to buy it. When you go for download, it will ask for your email ID. No thanks. Submit. So let me put my email ID. Submit. Now just let us see what happens. It will ask for money, and the amount they charge: premium logo pack $5 per month, standard logo pack 20. Oh, it has reduced. Earlier it was $45. Select high resolution PNG file. $20 is quite reasonable, and they have added this watermark, just so that nobody can take a screenshot. So what I do is I take the screenshot, and copy paste here, then image trace. Oh, so uh, not bad. If you are getting it free of cost, I would say it's not a bad option either. So let us separate it, ungroup, and if I take the color code, aren't we close to it? I think we're quite close to it. We almost made it. And even we can replace the text, and we can type our own text. So we almost did it. Not bad. These are all teeny parts, and we can look at them. So we almost get it. Not bad. So quite easy and quite convincing. Yes, these are few areas you find it not that much tuned, but okay, we can correct that. So very simple step: go to brandcrowd.com and enter your word, uh, the name of the project or company or organization for whichever you want to make a logo, and there will be search words, and you can put anything. Let us say Lions Club. It will give lots of visuals. Where is the lion? If you are not finding it, you just can simply put lion. Now you get it. I love this website, and for many of my works I refer it. I don't copy them, but when you copy 100 elements from 100 things, then people don't blame you that you copied this or copied that, and say making a combination or permutation out of those 100 elements and putting it in another way, that becomes unique, and that is not traceable. Copying one thing is just cheap and silly, but copying 100 things from 100 things, that is genius. That is a quotation, something like this. So this is what I wanted to communicate, that there is shortcut in today's era. There is artificial intelligence, and you can do many complicated things very easily. So that is what I wanted to share. If this knowledge is useful to you, please give this video a like, and if you like the content of this channel, please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.